Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We will try to reply to all of them. So let's start. First, you have to go to the search tab and then you look at the top IGTV. You click IGTV and then click on the plus sign at the right corner. Now choose a video, click next, and now you can click next again, and you can write some title, description, and now you have other options. You can add preview, you can add profile cover, and make visible on Facebook. You can do that as well. And now you can just post it. So that's it. See ya.